Program Manager at Center for Science and Environment, and I take care of the work on food safety and toxins. This is regarding our recent study that we have released yesterday, wherein we have highlighted towards use and presence of two chemicals which are allowed to be used in India but otherwise banned in many countries across the world for several decades. This is about potassium bromate, which is a possible cancer carcinogen, and potassium iodide, which is linked with thyroid diseases. So when it was in June 2015 when we came across some literature pieces and tried to understand some regulatory information around how these two chemicals are not used in other countries but still allowed to be used in India. The assumption of allowing the use of these chemicals in other countries has been that in end product there would be no residues. So this made us curious to test what is happening in India. How is this, considering that India allows its use? And thereon we started this particular study. We tested about 38 samples of popular varieties commonly available breads of different types, such as white bread, sandwich bread, multigrain bread, brown bread. Then we also checked pav, bun. We also checked the burger and pizza bases of popular fast food outlets from India. And what was very alarming was that in about 84% of samples we found presence of residues of potassium bromate or potassium iodide collectively. We did some survey. We talked to the scientific experts of this country, and we could clearly understand that potassium bromate and iodide both are being used because they are allowed by the law. We also tried to reconfirm our results from an external third-party laboratory, which basically confirmed our results, specifically around bromate in the products that we have found, and it also pointed towards the use of potassium iodide in presence of its residues. In this regard, since the assumption has failed that there would be no residues in the end product, since that has failed, and because we've now tested it and found residues, it was very important to now ask for a ban of these chemicals, because essentially these chemicals are not required. There are safer alternatives which are present. So we have, when we released our study, we have asked for the immediate ban on these two chemicals, and a very good news that came out last evening was that FSSAI has already announced to ban potassium bromate yesterday evening, which is a very good news.